It's white to play and win this position. But how does white win? With only one queen. This king is stacked. Notice these pawns are going on this direction forward and black's pawn are going on this direction downward, this direction. Which means this pawn is protecting this pawn is protecting the bishop, and the bishop is protecting this, and these all pawns are protecting each other. The king can't go here, and they are blocked each other. They are stacked. All of them are stacked, and only white can move its queen only, right? That is the only piece that possibly move on this position. But still white is winning here. How? Okay, generally what we do is we play here. We are giving a check to the king. The king has to move here. We just take, and black has to take this. Otherwise we just took, and that's going to be very nice for us, right? We just take the black pawn if black didn't take us. So this pawn become a queen, and we just took all of these pawns, right? And get another queen if we want, and that's going to be easy for us. But the problem is the king is now on the way. If we try to play here, the king easily captures this, and that's going to be a draw. So this move doesn't work. And what do we do? Actually, the idea of this puzzle is to lure this poor king into this first rank, so that after we sacrifice the queen, the king is on the first rank, which means the king can't catch this pawn, right? So after we promote to a queen, that's going to be winning for us. So we have to lure this king to this square, to the first rank. That is our mission for this puzzle. So we play here. Notice we are caging the king. So black has only one legal move on this position to play here. We just play the same thing, right? We are just boxing the black, and the black has to play there. That's the only move he has. Notice now, on this position on, we can't play here because it's going to be stalemate. Instead, we have to play here to force the king to go to this square. And if you'd like to pose, what do you think is the best move here on this position? Okay, this is the best move, but if we try to play here, the king can go here, and there is no follow-up. If we try to play here, there is no thing we can do. The king can go here, and if we try to play here, the king will go back to the beginning, and we can't do anything. There is no progress with that move. But by playing here, when the king moves here, we just go here, and we are just waiting the king to move to this square, right? We are waiting the king. So the king now has to play. The king has to make a move. He can play here. He can play here. Actually, this is the best move to just go to near of this path, but we can't let that happen. We just cage the king. So the king has to move here and here. So this is going to be the best move for it. So we have to play the same thing, right? We have to play here, and when we play here, the king can't move here. Actually, the king can't move here either. The king has to play here now, right? He can play here, but it's going to be the same, right? So now he can't play here because of the pawn. So the king has to play here. We just cage out the pawn. These pawns are going which direction, so it's safe for the queen. And slowly but surely we can manage to cage out this king and lure to the first rank, right? So the king now has to move. What do we play here? Okay, the correct move here on this position is to play this move. It's the same thing. The king can't move here, can't move here. He has to play here or here, right? So now the mission is completed. We officially completed our mission. We give a check like this, so the king has to move anywhere, right? If he moves here, we just move here, and notice now the king is far away, right? It's far. We have to play fast here. Now it won't work for the king because the king is not in the box, right? If you familiar with that, it is not in the box, right? He has one square left to catch the pawn, so the king can't catch the pawn, and we are just winning. We just win easily this position, right? So that is the whole point of the puzzle. If you see from the beginning, it's very fascinating and satisfying chess puzzles. We go here, we force the king to go to the first rank and sacrificing the queen, making clear a promotion for this pawn, and we win at the end with a queen to gobble all of these pawns. That's winning.